HISINGY App 2.0 is about to bring you a series of exciting new features that will make your FPV journey even more unforgettable. The updated mini drone configurations will provide you with absolute control. By incorporating the Sinergy exchange feature into the tuning page, everyone can level up quickly and tune freely. Each flight will become a unique experience, and each adventure will be memorable. Additionally, we have introduced a brand new achievement system. No matter where your experience level is at, every step of progress will ignite a sense of achievement, motivating you to fly more and become a true expert pilot. Besides, our mini drone firmware has undergone many exciting upgrades. The all-new 2.0 flight controller firmware ensures an extremely agile yet stable flying experience. Our engineering team has conducted countless tests and optimizations to squeeze out unprecedented performance. From takeoff to landing, you will experience unparalleled smoothness and precision. Whether it's extreme racing or fun flying, our flight controller will always work closely with you, making every flight a safe and enjoyable experience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced pilot, the HISINGY App 2.0 will be your excellent companion. Download it now and embark on an exciting flying adventure.